Welcome to IBS. Today we are taking a look at the IBPS certificate course in Certified Treasury Professional. This video is going to cover everything related to this course. That is, who should opt for this course? Why should one take this course? The eligibility, the exam pattern, the syllabus, everything will be covered in this video. The Certified Treasury Professional certification is designed for professionals working in the Treasury Department and for those who are willing to work in the Treasury Department, and it equips them with the knowledge and skills to handle Treasury operations. Now, who is this certification most suitable for? It is suitable for newly posted officers like assistant managers, deputy managers. It is suitable for staff already identified by their organizations for Treasury operations and for aspiring Treasury professionals. Now, moving on to eligibility, both members and non-members of IBPS can apply for this course, and the minimum educational qualification requirement is 12th standard. Now, moving on to the exam pattern, this certification has two stages. First, an online exam under remote proctored mode, where there will be 100 objective type MCQs for 100 marks with a time duration of 2 hours with no negative marking. In this stage, you have to get a minimum of 50 marks to clear this round. Once you have successfully cleared the online examination, you must attend a 3-day virtual or physical classroom training program where the total marks is 50, from which you have to at least score a minimum of 25 marks. Now, few points to remember would be that, as I mentioned earlier, the online exam would be conducted under remote proctored mode. English would be the only medium of language of the exam, and the exam dates would be 2nd and 4th Saturdays of the concerned month. The dates would be released by IBPS on their website. Now, let's understand what remote proctored mode actually is. Under remote proctored mode, you can attend the exam in your home or office as per your requirement and comfort. But there are a few requirements to attend this exam, and that is, you must attend the exam on your desktop or laptop. The use of mobile phones and tablets is not permissible. The desktop or laptop must be Windows 10 or 11 only in 64-bit. It must also have a functioning camera, microphone and speakers with good quality. In Google Chrome, your cookies and pop-ups must be enabled and any blockers should be disabled. You must have very high-speed internet connectivity to attend the exam. That is what comes under remote proctored mode. Now, let's continue with the certification. As mentioned earlier, you must attend the exam under remote proctored mode. You must log in to the system half an hour before the actual exam time. The proctor will verify the candidate's face with the registered photo image. You must display a valid original photo ID card, and then you must show a 360-degree view of the area that you're sitting in. So you must be clear of any suspicious activity. That is, you must have a clear desk or table. Both sides of the rough sheet should be shown through the proctor, and all your activities will be monitored and will be used. So that is what you have to keep in mind during the examination process of the online exam. In terms of the passing criteria, for the online exam, you must score a minimum of 50 marks out of 100, and for virtual or physical classroom training program, you must score a minimum of 25 marks out of 50. Both parts must be cleared independently, and the physical training program will be conducted only at Mumbai. The classroom training must be completed within 15 months of the online result declaration, and you will be awarded your certification within 2 months. Now we'll take a look at the examination and training fee structure. The fee for online exam, including virtual training, is 6,000 plus GST, that rounds up to about 7,000. Then for the fee for online exam plus physical classroom training, depends on the city, that is 11,000 plus GST and 15,000 plus GST. Now, if you fail the online exam, the reattempt fee for the second attempt would be 200 rupees. If you fail that attempt also, then you have to register again by paying a total of 6,000 plus GST. If you only fail the virtual training program, then you would have to pay a reattempt fee of 1000 plus GST. This is the syllabus of the course. Module 1 includes financial markets and role of Treasury. Module 2 includes money market operations. Module 3 is investments. Module 4 is forex dealings. Module 5 is derivatives. Module 6 is model code and dealing ethics. Module 7 is time value of money and IR calculations. Okay, to summarize what I've just said, your first aim should be to prepare for the exam well, understand the concepts, take a minimum of at least 1 month to understand and prepare well, then attend the online exam. Then after you have scored a minimum of 50 and cleared the exam, you can move on to the 3-day classroom training, and after that you will be rewarded your certification within a minimum of 2 months. For your preparation, we at IBS provide live classes. If you have missed the live class, you also get recorded sessions of it, one book dispatched to your address, mock tests and expert faculty guidance and support. IBS was founded in 2011, which means it has been 15 years since we have been in this field. We have helped more than 1 lakh candidates pass their JAIIB, CAIIB and certificate courses. Apart from that, we also provide classes for various promotional exams, JIBO and much more. So, for more information, visit our website or contact us on the number given. Thank you.